Yeah. So BR tag is used for denoting the line break. Okay. And similarly, we have one more tag called HR tag, which used to indicate horizontal line. Suppose if we are giving this HR tag, no, it will add one line. It is used for separation of the content. Okay. And you see, this is also known as what element? HR tag is also known as BR tag is also known as
Like,
empty HTML elements, right? So HR is also an empty HTML element.
HTML element.
Empty HTML elements. Elements with no content and the end tag are known as empty HTML elements. Okay. Now we will provide some information for our paragraph. Okay. So we have one attribute called title. Okay. And we can give whatever we want. Okay. This is a paragraph. So if you hover on this, okay, it is showing something, right? Some message. This is a paragraph. This is known as tooltip. Whenever we hover on any element, if it is giving some information regarding that HTML element, it is known as tooltip. Okay. That whenever we hover on it, we'll get some information. That can be used by which attribute? Sai Fanindra, which attribute is used for tooltip? Fanindra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which attribute is used for the tooltip?
This empty one, yes, ma'am.
Title, right?
Okay.
Whenever we hover on anything, okay, if it gives any additional information, suppose if you are hovering on this thing, it will show this is a paragraph, right? Additional information. So this is known as tooltip, and title is the attribute which is used to provide that additional information. Any doubts, anyone? Please concentrate on this class. Okay. Suppose we have one disadvantage with paragraph tag. Okay. Suppose if I want to write some poem. Okay. You know, right? How will we write a poem? Just some lines. Okay. Then what we'll write? We'll write some more lines. Some more. Some more. Okay. Now what we are expecting the exactly similar like this should be shown in the web page. But instead what this p tag does, right, it will remove all the extra tags and it extra spaces, and it will paste this entire information in one line. You are noticing, right? Are you people able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in order to overcome this issue, we have one tag called pre-tag. Okay. If you paste this entire content, right, it will retain all the white spaces between the lines and it will show exactly whatever it is there. Okay. Any doubts, anyone till here? Okay. Now, let me talk about B tag. Okay. What is a B tag? B tag is used for indicating that it's a bold text. Bold text meaning is that it will show somewhat thicker. Okay. For example, you have seen the difference in paragraph and headings, right? What is the difference between a paragraph and heading?
Size, boldness.
Yeah. So boldness and the
Font size and thickness.
okay.
Yes.
In order to achieve the thickness or the boldness, we use one tag called B tag. Okay. And let us just place some content in this. Okay. So only this particular line in this paragraph will look bold. Okay. You are clearly able to understand, right? This is bolder and everything is normal. Okay. So B tag is used for boldness. Okay. Any doubts till now? And we have one tag called I tag. Okay. Which means that it's used to display some italic text. Okay. For example, this is a normal text, right? I'll just apply the I tag here. Okay. And what it will give me? Some italic text. Okay. If you see this is a normal text. If you see this is an italic text. Okay. And what are comments in HTML? Suppose this is called as an comment. For example, so this is called as an comment in the HTML. Okay. So whenever you are commenting any piece of code, right, that will be ignored by the browser and these will not get shown in the web page. Suppose if you see this is content, is it visible here? Is it visible in the web page? Are you people sleeping?
No, not
No.
visible.
Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
So that is the usage of comments in the HTML. So if you want some piece of code not to be run by the browser, you will be using the comments. So this piece of code will be ignored by the browser. Okay. And this is the syntax. This is the syntax for creating comments. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose you will be seeing something, right? Some text will be highlighted in the paragraphs, some with marker or something. Even if we are reading any book or anything, for some content we will highlight some important content, right? Especially when reading for exams. So here mark is the tag which is used for highlighting purpose. Okay. If you can just see here, are you people able to see this yellow color, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
This which tag is used for highlighting purpose?
Mark.
Mark.
Mark is the tag which is used for highlighting purpose. You just need to
Text.
remember this everything. That's it. Okay. All the content is about remembering the things what to use for what purpose. Okay. And these all will come by practice. Now let us create one table. Okay. The table can be created with which tag? Any guess? So we are telling paragraph is created using P tag. Link is created using anchor tag. Line break is used using BR. Horizontal line is used using HR. Okay. And mark highlighter is used for with mark tag. Likewise, bold is used with B tag. Italic text is used for I tag. Then can someone guess what is the tag for a table? Just
T.
T.
no. The tag for table is table. That's it. Okay. So in table, what we generally see? Rows and
Rows and columns.
rows and columns, right? So how it will be? So this is a row and this will be a column, correct? Rows will be this straight line and column will be a vertical line. Am I correct?
Yes.
In order to define a row data, you use something called TR tag, which meaning is that table row. Okay. Suppose if you want to have first what we will contain in the table, headings, right? What is it and all. So a table heading can be devoted by TH tag. Okay, table heading. Okay, you can give name. Okay, and age, place. Let us just run this. Okay. Any doubts till now? You are able to see it in a row format, right? Name, age, place. Any doubts till now?
No.
No, ma'am.
Suppose if we want to give the data, again in which format we should give? We should give only in the row format. Okay. And the table data is denoted by a tag called TD. Okay. And you'll give Anusha. Okay. And 24. And then good. Any doubts, anyone till here? No, right?
No, ma'am.
Now tell me how to create another table data. So this is just one record, right? If you can see, only Anusha's information is visible here. Suppose if I want to insert another record in the table, how can I do that? Yeah,
T.
can tell. Yeah. Just try. I will not say anything. This is your first class, right? And you people are all new. If you don't,
Like,
I will repeat it.
Another TR.
Yeah. What we'll do? If we want to insert one more record, again in which format we will be recording?
Table.
In the row format. Correct.
Row format.
In order to define a row, which tag is used?
data.
No. In order to define a row, which tag? Table row.
TR.
Yeah, TR is the tag which is used for defining a table row. Okay. Suppose if I want to insert some data, then which tag is used?
TD.
TD.
Okay. TD. And what information we can say? Geeta. Okay. And so if you just save it, now what will happen? Can you guess? Only under name Anusha and Geeta will be visible. No age and no place content will be there. Okay. Got it? Suppose if you want to insert the data, okay, for the age, what you
Yes.
need to do, you need to insert TD. Any doubts till now?
No.
No.
Java.
Okay. So this is how we will be creating tables in HTML. Okay. But these doesn't look like a table, I know. We need to add some CSS to get some borders for this table. Okay. When we start CSS, I will explain at that time. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will talk about some block HTML elements, inline elements. Okay. What are what I am trying to create? What is this? What is this?
Comments.
Comments, correct. Okay. Now I'm talking about block elements and inline elements. Okay. block elements are the tags which will take the entire width. Okay. For example, you have checked that P tag, right? P tag. Okay. Now what I will do, so we have one attribute called style attribute. Okay. So which is to give additional information. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just apply some background color. Okay. Red or yellow. Okay. Yellow for this background. Sorry. Guess this is the syntax. So if you see, the P tag content only this much. Okay. But what it has done, it has taken this entire width. If you can see, the yellow color has been highlighted till here. You people are able to see, right? So these kind of elements are called block elements. So they will take the entire width available. Okay. And they will always start on a new line. Okay. If I say paragraph, it is not appended to the table and has given some information, right? So these are known as block elements. Any doubts, anyone? So what I am doing, this style attribute is used for styling our HTML elements. Okay. This is known as inline styling. For the tag itself, you are giving some styles in the same line. So this is known as inline styling. Okay. For this, what you are doing, you need to remember this syntax. Okay. Background color and colon yellow, which means that take a background color yellow. Okay. Suppose if you want to apply some more styles. Suppose if you want to change the text color. Okay. You can just give one more semicolon. For changing the text color, we have a property called color. Okay. And you can give it red if you want. Let me just save it and show you. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt still here? No, right? Just say something, please. Yeah, sorry. I had some network issues. Yeah. Any doubts till now?
No, no.
Any
No,
doubt
ma'am.
using this style attribute?
Mm,
No, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. So what are block elements? What are block elements?
Which add that color or design to the text.
No. Color and design, I simply said for your understanding.
block elements are which take entire width.
To show you, right? Suppose if I remove this, okay, and if I tell this paragraph has taken the entire width available, you will not understand it, right? It is only till here you will say, right, paragraph, but you will not understand that it has taken the entire width, right? For that purpose, what I have done, I have added some CSS, okay, styling, so that you'll understand better. So what are block line elements meaning is that they will take up the entire width available and they will always start in a new line. Okay. Any doubts, anyone? Okay. Now we will talk about inline elements. For example, if I use a B tag here, okay. Does this B tag make this paragraph to be broken into two parts?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Bold tag.
Yeah, this
Bold.
is a P
Bigger
tag.
tag.
So it just makes the text bolder, but it does not start with the new line. Am I correct? It always starts with the same line, which meaning is that it's always in inline. Okay, and it will take only this much of space, not extra
Okay.
space. Okay, suppose let me write some styling. Okay, and background color, use some blue. Let us just try. Okay, you are able to see, right? Able to understand the difference?
Yes,
Block,
ma'am.
block line elements means they will take up the entire width available, whereas inline elements with meaning is that they will take only the available width. Okay, whatever is allocated for them, they will take only that much necessary width. Okay, and whereas a block line elements always starts on a new line, whereas inline elements doesn't start on a new line. Okay, they will ask you these questions in the interviews, and even you need to understand what is what. Any doubts till now?
Ma'am.
No one.
Okay, okay.
No doubt, ma'am.
So this is known as inline styling. If you are giving style attribute, right? This is known as inline styling. So there are three ways, okay, to style your web page. Okay, the first one is inline styling. Okay, the second one is internal styling, and the third one is external styling. Okay, now tell me what is inline styling?
It will style only allocated. So allocated.
It uses only, it shows only with available width.
Array, what you people are understanding, huh? That is for block elements I am telling, na.
Only with available width it displays.
Those are inline elements. I said how to style your web page. This style attribute is used for styling, right? Styling is nothing but changing colors of the web page, giving some background color, okay, making the font size bigger, using different kind of like for this paragraph, stay left to this page, right to this page, center of this page, bottom to this page, up to this page, okay, and use this color for this text, background color for this text. These are all done using CSS. Okay. So applying CSS means styling. So with the HTML, you will just able to see the content. That's it. Everything, coloring, background color, everything done by CSS. That is known as styling of your web page. Okay. So inline styling means in the HTML element itself, you will define one style attribute and you will be defining the styles for your web page. So this is known as inline styling. Okay. What I said block elements means block HTML elements. Inline HTML elements is that what is an HTML element? Start tag, some content and the end tag. Block HTML elements means the elements which takes the entire width available are known as block elements. Okay. Now what I'm trying to tell you, suppose if I don't highlight it with the style and say this is a block line element, you won't understand it, right? Just for understanding purpose, I have given that styling. Now understood or not? So if I tell this P tag has taken the entire width available, okay, now what you will understand? You will not understand anything, right? Just for understanding purpose to tell you that it will take the entire width of this row. Okay, to tell you that I have given the background color. Understood? Fanindra, understood?
Yes.
Dinesh, Kavya, Sonia, Teja, Archana.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is inline styling? What is inline styling? Dinesh, can you try?
I'm styling the only set in place. Set in-
Using style attribute is known as inline styling. Using style attribute in your HTML elements is known as inline styling.
Inline.
Okay, just remember that we can style our web page using 3 ways. Okay, one is inline styling, internal styling, and external styling. Inline styling means giving style attribute for your HTML elements and defining the styles. Okay. Okay, I am going very fast, I guess. Okay, let us recap the summary of today's class. Okay, what does HTML stands for? Teja?
Hypertext markup language.
Yeah, hypertext markup language. And how does an HTML document starts with?
Doc type
Doc type
HTML.
HTML.
What is the meaning of this doc type HTML? What
Document
is
is
the
of type.
meaning of this line? What?
The document that we are being
Our
writing.
HTML starts with doc type HTML.
Yeah, its meaning is that this HTML is this document is an HTML document. That is the meaning.
Document.
This document is an HTML document. That is the meaning of this line. Okay. What is the root element here?
HTML.
HTML tag is the root tag. Okay. So HTML document should contain doc type HTML and it starts with the tag HTML root tag. Root tag. Okay. And what sections it contains?
Head,
Body.
body.
Head, body,
Header section and body section.
Body section.
Where we will place the visible portion of a web page in which tag?
Body.
Body tag. So visible portion, like whatever you are seeing it right here, right? That visible portion will be applied in which tag?
Body.
Body tag. Okay.
body.
And how to create a paragraph? What is an HTML element?
Start tag. Content and
Yeah. How to create a paragraph tag?
giving P.
Using
Start tag with P.
Tag using P and tag P.
how to create a link? Which tag is used for creating a link?
Anchor element.
Anchor.
Anchor tag, which is a tag. Okay. You need to say anchor tag, but actually it's a tag. Okay. And what is HTML attribute? What are attributes? Attributes.
Attributes means we can give extra extensions.
Sorry, Dinesh, can you repeat?
To give
Extra information.
Giving extra information for an
Information.
HTML element is known as attributes.
Attributes.
What extra information we have given for the anchor link here? Suppose if we click on the anchor link, where it should go to which link it should point to, correct? That is given using href attribute. Okay. What is the tooltip? What is tooltip? Sonia, what is tooltip? Sorry, I had some network issues. What is a tooltip? Able to hear me?
Yes, Anusha.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a tooltip? If we hover on any HTML element, if it gives any additional information, correct or wrong? Can someone repeat it? Dinesh, can you?
Tooltip is
If we hover means if we place our cursor on any HTML element, if it gives any additional information, okay, that is known as tooltip. For example, you will hover on this, right? You are seeing, right? Help some text, right? In the YouTube. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
This help is known as a tooltip. It is giving you some extra information, okay? Suppose if you see on this, if I place on J, you are seeing, right? Account. That is some extra information. If you hover or place, okay, if you hover on any HTML element, if it provides any additional information, it is known as tooltip.
Tooltip.
Achieved using which attribute? Which attribute? Fanindra, you are saying something?
Title to
Yeah, title attribute.
Title.
Okay. And which tag is used for line break?
BR.
B,
BR.
What are empty HTML elements?
which doesn't contain
Does not,
content
I
and
mean,
Yeah. Repeat.
it doesn't have content and end tag.
Yeah. The HTML tags which doesn't
Which
contain
Start
content.
tag and end tag.
content and end tag.
and
Content and end tag. Okay,
Content
those
and
are-
end tag.
Yeah. For example, give one example for empty HTML element.
Break, BR tag and
Break.
Okay.
Bold.
And one more. Bold tag contains end tag.
just H horizontal.
HR tag, which is horizontal line. Okay. HR tag, which means horizontal line. If you see this line, right? This line. So this is known as horizontal line. Okay. And what is the purpose of using the pre tag?
Line by line. Content should.
It will retain the spaces and will print the exact content on the web page. Am I correct? For that purpose, we
Yes.
will be using which tag?
Pre tag.
Pre tag. Oh.
wait.
And which tag is used for highlighting purpose?
Master.
Okay. Which tag is used for making the text bolder?
B.
B tag.
B.
B tag. Which tag is used for the italic text?
I
I.
I tag.
Which tag is used for creating a table?
Table.
table.
Table. Table tag.
Yeah. What does a table contain?
Data.
Column. Rows.
Rows and columns.
Rows, columns, headings, and data. Correct. It contains headings, right? And it contains some data. And it contains them in a row format. Okay. Which tag is used for denoting a table row?
TR.
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 Which tag is used for denoting the headings of a table?
TH.
TH.
Which tag is used for defining the table data?
TD.
TD.
So all your tables, in which tag you will enclose them? All your table headings. I said everything happens in the table row. So all the tags of a table will be enclosed in TR tag, right?
Ah,
So if you see name, age, place will be one after the other in a row format. If you see this data, it will be in row format. If you see this data, it will be in row format. In order to achieve them in the row format, you need to place them in TR tag. Okay.
yeah.
What are block elements and inline elements?
Block elements,
Take up the
whole
whole
width,
video.
take
Yeah.
up the whole width of the
Full width available, and they will always start in.
New line.
new line.
Okay. What are inline elements?
Available.
They
What
will
are
take only
inline
contributors.
elements? They will take the width as
Inline
much as necessary. That's it. Okay. And does they start in new line?
No, no.
No.
Okay. And how to style your HTML tag? How many ways are there to style your HTML tags?
3 ways.
3 ways. What are they?
Anyways,
Inline,
Inline, internal,
internal,
external.
external.
Okay. How to apply inline styling? How to apply inline styling?
Using the style attribute.
Using
Style attribute.
correct.
Style.
Using style attribute, you will apply the inline styling. So any doubts, anyone till now? How many types of headings are there?
6 types.
6 types.
Types.
6 types. H1, H2, H3, H4,
H3,
H5,
H4,
H6.
H1, H.
What is the difference between them?
Size
Size
of
and
the content,
Boldness and the size.
boldness of
Size.
So any doubts, anyone till now? Or if I am going too faster, let me know. Okay. I will try to cover only the less content. Yeah, let me know your feedback. If I am going too fast, am I
no,
going too
No.
fast?
no, this is
This
enough.
much is fine, right? Every day.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And I will be sharing this recording to you in the YouTube because I cannot share this much MB of videos, right? So I'll be uploading in the YouTube channel and I will even give you the link. Okay. Daily I cannot, upload and ping. I have uploaded. Please check it, watch it and all. You can just check and you can watch it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it for today's
Okay, ma'am.
class. Every day we will learn about the tags and you practice them once after this class. Okay. If you get any doubts, if you are stuck anywhere, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay. I will be help you. You can even send photos like which issue you are facing. Okay. I will be helpful to you. So please join the classes. Why? Because, right, if you go to the job, you will definitely get the job. Okay. If you are going to the job, you shouldn't suffer there. That's the only concern I have. Okay. You should be able to at least understand what's happening. And with your, if you are understanding these classes and practicing them, and with 1 year of effort, you will be able to, in a position, you will be able to do all your work by alone without doing any support or without taking any support. Okay. So please be attentive and please listen this class and it's only for 1 hour. You can take a revision of the video and you can even practice. Okay. And it's just a Visual Studio Code, right? Where you can simply create a file and just run it. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Daily
Thank
this
you.
class is 6:30. Anisha.
Yeah, this class is from 6:30 to 7:30.
Okay, Anisha.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.